Hello cruisers, welcome back to Prescribed Adventures. Today we are on Star of the Seas and we're going to give you a full ultimate tour of the casino. And it's bright and early in the morning and this is a 4-night cruise. Only going to Coco Cay, so the casino is basically open the entire time. So where should we start? So let's start here in this corner. You got your landline fa, different versions of it. And then you got your Fabergé egg game. These are the ones that are usually off when I'm doing the other recordings. The Devil's Lock-In, Timberjack. You got Fast Cash. Trying not to interrupt people while they're gambling. We got the Kismet Cat. And then we're going to run down the line here. Got Fire Magic. Cha-Ching Party. Chickaboom. Pearl Dynasty. Both versions. And then you got your Dragon Links over here. That is not Bob. You got your firecrackers. Going to be on both sides. You got your Lion Links. Once again, both sides. We're going to have some Mo Mummy. And again, Mo Mummy. And we're gonna have the firecrackers, the blast. The graphics look updated on that one. Not sure if the game is any different. And then you got your coin trios right here. And we're gonna walk past the music hall. And you got your ultimate fire links. You got your Buffalo Golds. You got your Raise the Sails, and you got a couple of Grand Buddhas. And now we're going to start down the other side. We got some Mighty Drums. And Hao Zhao Tao right there. You got your Du Fu Du Kai. On both sides. You got your Wonder Fours, along with the Lucky Looters, both versions, the Leprechaun and the Devil. We got the Bob Boom Blast. And then we got the 888s, the Samurai version, and the Sakurai version. You got the Rising Rockets. Coming around over here, we got the Bank Heists. You got your Huff and More Puffs in the middle right there. You got Wuju Pen, Phoenix version. At the bar, you got your video pokers. Sorry about that. You got your video pokers. And here we have the cashier cage. And we got Puff and More Puff. Also on the end. And you got Huff and More Puff Power 4 over here. And then we got the Chickies Crazy Chicken Game. Got a Buffalo Triple Power here. Along with the Timber Wolf Triple Power. Got some more Lion Links over here. On the end here, we're gonna, in the middle over here, you got the Mo Mummy. Hopefully they'll start getting the Yeti game soon. Here we got the Ultimate Fire Link. And here we got the triple coin treasures. One more on the outside. Once again, two more Momo right here. And we got some more of the Shamrock Fortunes. And here we got the High Roller Room. Cashier. We got the Blackjack $200 minimum. You got Baccarat. Don't know what the minimum on that is. And here you got the Roulette. $5 minimum on the numbers, $25 on the outside. Here you got your high limit slots. Triple jackpot gems. Here you got your triple double jackpots. These are 9-line, $1, $2, $5, $10 denoms. In terms of volatility, you're probably going to be your best bet, but bets are going to be high. And here you have the host desk, which they now call VIP services. Don't forget to scan your QR code. And that way you can see the list of the available cruises at whatever point, casino points that you get for the cruise. And now we are back heading into the smoking section. So that was all the non-smoking. Now we're back in the smoking section, and we're going to start with Wheel of Fortune on both sides. You got the Rakin' Bacon here. And I guess we'll go into this corner here and then come back around. All right, here you got your Shark Clock, your Timber Jack. You got your Buffalo Triple Boost. You got more money. Some more money. You got another version of a firecracker game or dynamite game. Let's see what these are. Not sure what those are. Oh, here it comes. Okay, Fireline. Then you got more of the Rakin' Bacon Deluxe, Rakin' Bacon Odyssey. We have some Dragon Prize. And here we have Ultimate Fast Cash. Different versions of that. You got more Huff and More Puff Power 4s here in the middle. Here we got the roulette table. And on the floor here, $2 minimum on the numbers, $20 on the outside. Don't know if that's going to go down as when the regular cruising starts. And here you have your Island Rising. Come over here, you're going to have your Cleopatra Legacy. You got top dollar. I'm seeing a $50 minimum blackjack table here. Just giving you an idea of everything that's available here in terms of betting amounts. Double top dollar, double gold pinball, double gold 15 line. That might be interesting. And here you have your Huff and Puff High Rise. And we'll head over some more Kismet Cat. And here you have your Zhao Kaizu Piggy game, Golden Piggies. And here you got more Rising Rockets. And And here you have the more dragon links, 5-cent denoms to start with. And you got some more coin trios. And here we have Mrs. Wong and Mr. Wong, the new super hot flaming pots. And over here we got your Zone Boost version of the firecracker game. And more Triple Wolf and Timber Wolf Triple Power Buffalo. Here we got some more Mo Mummy. And here we got some Bank Busters. And now we're kind of going down the middle of the smoking section. You got your, what is this, the Golden Eagle. Golden Eagle. And here you got your Devil game that's usually off. Which is why we're here bright and early in the morning, trying to get you every game that's on without having all this. Which game is this? Look at this. Fancy tablets on the bottom here. You got Stack Up Pays. And here you got Dragon Coin. So some different games here. And here we got some more Dragon Coin. Around that. And here you have Grand Prosperity, Heart of the Sea. Another Grand Prosperity, Triple Supremes. Here we got some more firecrackers. Let's see here, Huffing Even More Puff. And before I miss it, you got your Buffalo Ascension. Huffing More Puff on this side. Some more fire. Did I get these already? I think I might have. It's okay. Some more puff. You got 3 doves right here. You got Dancing Drums, Golden Drums. And here you have your Voodoo Jackpots. What do we got here? We got the Honeycomb game. It's on both sides. And here we have the Mystery of the Lamp. All of them on this side. Got a couple of Prosperity links. And here we have Lightning Link, Lightning Buffalo Link, and Buffalo Dash for Cash. Here you got a few Huff and Puff Money Mansions, Huffing Even More Puff, Lanterns of the Dragon, Jade Mermaid. Alright, here we got our Dancing Drums Prosperity. Always a good one. Your Quick Hit Links. And your Ultimate Fire Link Cash Balls. Here we got Jewel of the Dragons. It's got some Easy Money Deluxe right here. Here you got your triple double jackpot. This is with the nudge. And these are 9-line, 25 cent. So minimum bet 225. These will be some good point builders. And then you have your 10-cent denom starting Dragon Links. Look at the jackpots, $113,000. Got more of the Dragon Links on this side. And here we have more of the Lucky Looters. These are the Mo Mummy, original virgin. And here we have the fishbowl game, the respin party. I'm sorry, goldfish game, respin party. Here we have the Dancing Drums Tower. And here we have more Magic Treasures. And let's head into the corner over here. Got some more quick hit links. Uh-oh, I hear my flaming hot pots. Flaming hot pots. And here we got some more coin trios. And some more of the firecracker blasts. Let's see what we got here. We got Ultimate Texas Hold'em, $15 on the ante in the play. I'm sorry, ante in the blind, $25. Ultimate Texas Hold'em. You got your roulettes over there. Here you got your 3-card poker, $15 minimum. And here you got your blackjack, $50 minimum. And here we got the Wolf Eclipse Run, the Regal Links, different versions of that. You got your Buffalo Triple Power. Love their Buffalo games on Royal. And here you have all your, oh, they got Keno. Here you got all your video poker and a Keno. There you go. And last but not least, 2 more Kismet games. And let's check out another $25 blackjack. Roulette here. Let's see, we got, yep, $2 number, 20 on the outside minimums. Same over here. And we're back here. So that was our tour. So that was our tour of Star of the Seas, Royal Caribbean's newest, biggest cruise ship casino tour. You saw the smoking side, the non-smoking side. Got you all the table limits. Hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, this is Chris with Prescribed Adventures, your perfect dose of exploration. Make sure you check out the playlist of all of our Star of the Seas videos, all of our Utopia of the Seas videos, and plenty more coming soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.